Tips that I'm going to share today are my personally favorite ones because they are quick, easy, and they don't cost anything. Just you need to make certain modification in your life and your lifestyle, and then you are going to get incredible results from these 5 tips. So, are you ready for it? Are you? Let's start. Before I begin this video, do not forget to hit the subscription button. By doing so, you are going to support me and also help me stay motivated. So without wasting time, let me quickly jump into the topic. Today I'm going to give you 5 easy and very effective weight loss tips. I want to also tell you that how your weight loss is directly related to your health, and when you want to target on your weight loss, you need to modify your life and your lifestyle, and you need to develop certain food habits. So the next 5 tips that I'm going to give you is, of course, about modifying your lifestyle, about bringing in some good habits in your life, which will in turn help you to lose your weight and also bring a lot of positivity and energy into your life. My number 1 tip is to choose your snacks wisely. Yes. So we all have been doing grocery shoppings, and we love to do grocery shoppings just because we can pick up some yummy snacks. Personally, we love snacks, and I am a huge snacks lover. I can relate completely with you, and I can understand you completely. Your cravings to eat some snack every hour, or every time you want to watch movie or something, you want to talk with your friends. I know the first and the last thing in your mind is to have some snacks. So it is all well. Eating snacks is also okay, but choosing your snacks wisely is important. So now, most of the snacks are unhealthy and you hardly know about it. So, and when I say unhealthy, of course, it is harmful to your health. So you need to choose your snacks wisely. Next time you go grocery shopping, put your mind into it and think what is good for you and what is not good for you. I tried deliberately picking some healthy stuff for me, and I saw changes in me after doing so. Slowly by slowly, I started liking it, and it is so easy to replace unhealthy snacks with healthy snacks, because what they do to your body can have huge difference, but they taste almost same. And when you know that you are consuming something healthy, it also makes you happy in some way or the other. So 100% I recommend this. The first step is to pick up your snacks wisely, and do read the ingredients, do read what is inside the packet, and even if it is for your kids or guests or anybody for that matter, you need to choose wisely your snacks, because it is going to be in your house, and you will have the tendency to eat it and taste it, right? So you need to choose your snacks wisely. So guys, moving on to my tip number 2, and that is saying no to processed foods. I know it is very difficult for you when I say avoid processed foods, because it is so damn easy. Let's quickly try to understand what are processed foods. So basically, there are 3 main categories of food that we consume nowadays. All foods are in their natural form with no nutrition removed. Category number 2 is minimally processed food. In this category, the food is slightly processed, but still the nutrition is intact. Number 3 is heavily processed food. These are the foods that we should avoid. The nutrition level is way too low. They have no vitamins and minerals. They have no fiber. They can cause diabetes, heart diseases, and even cancer. To eat meals and microwave meals contains lots of preservatives and fats. We should avoid it completely. So we need to choose healthy food over processed food. The most side effect of this so-called processed food is weight gain. So as much as you avoid this kind of food, it will highly benefit you. So say no to processed food, and this brings me to my third tip, which is preparing your own food and preparing it with all the fresh vegetables and foods that are locally available. No need to go for any superfood when it comes to your health. Trust me, as also I mentioned in my previous weight loss journey video that preparing your own food is very, very, very important, because you know how much oil to use, you know how much sugar, salt, everything, you know how much to use, you know exactly how much, what to use and what not to use. In turn, you will prepare a very healthy meal for you and your family when you cook for yourself. So moving on to my fourth tip, that is having your dinner or meal early before 7. So when you have early dinner and for example by 7 and then you sleep around 10, you have enough time in between. You're giving enough time to your body to digest the food, and in between you are also active. Okay, so there is enough time for your body to digest the food, and also you will not go directly to the bed with a full stomach. It helps in weight loss. Everyone you meet, whoever is very fit, this is the major reason for their fitness. Is basically like adopting a healthy lifestyle, which in turn helps you to stay healthy and keep your weight under control. So my number 5 and most important tip is to exercise. I know when I say exercise, people are like a bit taken back, because exercise is something people think is difficult, and when the term exercise comes, you always have this fancy thing like going to a gym or joining some classes and all those things. But basically, I believe in basics. I believe that just starting with the basics. As of for the beginners, I would suggest work out at home and try doing simple exercises, easy exercise. Start exercising, be it a 15-minute exercise or be it a 20-minute exercise, but you need to regularly and consistently do it. So my last and final advice for you all is that prepare your food with lots of love and positivity, and have your food with your family and with the people you love, and with lots of gratefulness, consume your food, and throughout the day drink lots of water and sleep on time. If you follow all my 5 tips regularly, you will surely see some results. So guys, thanks for watching the video. Hope you like it, hope you be benefited from it, and keep showing me your love and support. Till I meet you next time. Bye bye. Take care.